Namaste friends, welcome to Siddhi Yoga. I am Tara and we are going to practice yoga for face glow. The yoga practice we are going to do called Sukshma Vyayam. In general, we call them face exercises. The first practice we are going to start with, it's face tapping. With your fingers, you are going to gently tap on your face. Keep your fingers relaxed during that movement. You can close your eyes to enjoy that tapping in your face. Try to cover every part of your face. Alright, after this nice gentle face tapping exercise, now the face muscles are ready to follow the further practice. For the next practice, we are going to bring the air inside the mouth and we make the face like a balloon. You are inhaling from your nose and you are holding the air inside your mouth. Very good. Let's hold for 5 seconds. Exhale out. All right, we will be doing the repetition of the same practice. So let's do it again. Inhale. Exhale out. Let's do 2 more times. Inhale again. One more. Nice. Now relax your face muscles, close your eyes and take a couple of breaths here. Slowly open your eyes. Let's follow the next practice. Open mouth. In this practice, we are going to open our mouth fully. Try to open your mouth as much as possible. And then relax. After we open the mouth, we'll be holding for 2 to 3 seconds and then relaxing the face muscles and then repeating the same practice for 5 times. All right, let's do it together. Open your mouth and relax. Again, open your mouth and relax. Again, open your mouth and relax. Again, 2 more. Open your mouth and relax. 1 more. Open your mouth and relax. Now we are going to do the next practice. For the next practice, it's connected to our lips, but this practice is not for the lips, it's for the cheeks. So the practice looks like this. We bring the our lips out and forward like this, and then we stretch them back. So we call kiss and smiley face. Alright, so this is the practice. Now let's practice together for 5 times. Bring your lips out and now smile. Forward. Smile. Continue. 3 more. And relax your face muscles. Our next practice is very close to the balloon face. This time we are going to use our index finger front of our mouth to keep our lips sealed during the practice, and then we'll be switching the air inside our mouth from left to right, right to left, which will look like this. All right, so now let's practice together. We will be doing the same practice 5 times both sides. Use your index finger and have your index finger on top of your lips. Breathe in and have the air inside your mouth. And 5. After 5, relaxing your hands, relaxing your face muscles. You can take your few seconds break between your one practice to another practice just to relax your face muscles, and then follow the next practice. Now for the next practice, we are going to focus on the upper part of the head, the forehead area. So for this practice, we are going to do the first one is the eyebrow raise. Just simply you are raising your eyebrows up and relaxing, raising up and relaxing. We'll be doing this practice 5 times. So start together, lifting your eyebrows up and relax, up and relax, up, relax, up, relax, up, and relax. We are going to do one more practice here connected with the forehead. Lifting your eyebrows up, then use your index finger and hold your eyebrows here, and then close your eyes, open your eyes. Closing your eyes, open your eyes. So this is the practice. We'll be doing 5 times. So lifting your eyebrows up, use your index finger and try to hold your eyebrows up here. And now close your eyes and open your eyes. 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 Close, open, close and open. Relax. You can close your eyes for a few seconds. While you are resting your face muscles, your eyes and forehead, you can give a gentle massage with your fingertip to your face. So here, I'm using my fingers to giving a massage to my eyebrows, around the eyebrows, and using my fingertip to massage my forehead. After the forehead, moving my fingers to my cheeks. Gently move your fingers. Now moving my fingers around my nose. Now moving my fingers around my chin. All right, releasing your hands down, open your eyes. So these are the practice. If the practice works better for you, you can increase their timings. You can increase their countings of the practice. Like most of the practice we did for 5 times, you can go from 5 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 times to have more better results in short time. Apart from all this practice, I would recommend you to practice Jalaneti, one of the very special kind of yoga cleansing technique, which is very good techniques to cleanse the sinus, and that practice will help you to clear your any issues connected with your face, like a pimple or dark shade underneath of your eyes, or anything connected to your nose skin or your cheeks. This practice is very helpful for many different types of face issues. And this is called cleansing techniques. And if you want to add some asana to improve your the face shining, so I would recommend you to practice headstand, shoulder stand, downward facing dog. These are the poses where your body is upside down, which means the more blood flows towards your face. And if the more blood comes to your face will get the proper nutrition, the necessary needs, what it needs for your face to be more clean, clear and shining. So add those poses in your daily routine practices. You can even do standing forward fold pose, Uttanasana. The fish pose is also one of the beneficial pose. The head position is quite different. So if you are practicing headstand or shoulder stand, you want to do the counters of fish pose is the counter pose for them, and also one of the beneficial pose for to have the glow into the face. So these are the practices. Try practicing all these the Sukshma Vyayam, the small practices connected with the face, and also the cleansing technique. If you don't know, that's fine. There are videos you can find in internet about this cleansing technique, and also those asanas I mentioned, practice them every day and you will see the good result come in short period of time. If you have some issues connected with your face, like having a pimple or having a dark circle underneath of your eyes or any spots in your face, then I would recommend you to add pranayam practice in your daily routine. When you're practicing pranayam, the Nadi Shodhan pranayam is one of the most beneficial pranayam for face issues. So practice all of them. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Namaste.